Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GetResponse, build funnels and email campaigns step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the GetResponse homepage. Click on the login button located at the top right corner. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Type your password in the second field. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard. To start building funnels, locate the Create button on the dashboard. Click on Create and select Funnel from the drop-down menu. Choose a funnel template that suits your needs. Customize the template by adding elements like landing pages and sales pages. Once you finish editing, click Save to ensure your changes are documented. Now, to set up an email campaign, return to the main dashboard. Click on Create again and select Email Campaign from the options. Input the subject line for your email in the designated field. Design your email using the available templates and drag and drop editor. Preview your email to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click Next to continue to the settings. Select your recipients from your contact list. Schedule the email for immediate sending or set a future date. Finally, click Send to launch your email campaign. You have successfully logged into GetResponse, built funnels, and set up email campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.